Since our independent variable was the temperature, we didn't have to use one with the CO2 and one without CO2. We simply had to divide the 300 milliliter of 0.2 bicarbonate into 2 beakers and heat one of the beakers. This is the process of heating one of the 0.2% bicarbonate solution for 30 seconds. We measured the temperature of each beaker. The temperature of the heated beaker was 62.7 degrees Celsius. The beaker with the room temperature at 26 degrees Celsius. Our team cut a total of 20 uniform leaf discs, and we put 10 for each cup. We pulled a small volume of sodium bicarbonate into each syringe. Then we created the vacuum by holding a finger over the narrow syringe opening while drawing back the plunger. And Dave held his vacuum for about 10 seconds. While holding the vacuum, Dave swirled the leaf disc to suspend them in the solution. Then he released the vacuum by letting the plunger spring back. The solution then infiltrated the air spaces in the leaf disc, causing the leaf disc to sink in the syringe.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This shows how all the discs sank on both syringes. We poured the discs and the solution from the syringe into the appropriate clear plastic cup. We placed both cups under the light source and start the timer. At the end of each minute, we recorded the number of floating discs. Then swirl the disc to dislodge any that stuck against the side of the cups. We continued until all of the discs are floating in the cup with the bicarbonate solution. Because the hot water denatured the plants inside the hot beaker did not float. On the other hand, the plants inside the room temperature floated.
One with the room temperature is floating faster.
So we're getting what we got.
As you can see, all the room temperature leaves are going off.
We're 15 minutes until you can see 15 minutes into our observation, and it seems like the hot water has denatured the plants, but the room temperature water didn't.
So that's why it's floating.
Yeah.
So this one's the room temperature.
And this is the hot water.
So we're ending it in 20 minutes.